Hello students, here is a preview of lesson 1.12.4. Today we will work on your English vocabulary, pronunciation, comprehension, reading, and communication skills. We begin with Beginning English Video Lesson 12 of 52. And in order to start this lesson, we need to click on this link. So, boom, we click on the link. Now we start the lesson. And the first part is part 1, watch and practice along with the speaking practice video. And this video is about 6 minutes long, so try to watch and practice this video at least twice, at least 2 times, okay? Then we have part 2, the pronunciation practice. This is only about a minute long, so I suggest you practice with this 2 or 3 times. Okay, you read along with it. Part 3, you listen, read, and practice along with the audio player and dialogue below. So here is the dialogue. It's a pretty long dialogue. Okay, so first you
Hello, Washington, D.C.
press the audio and you listen.
has many beautiful parks. In fact, this park reminds me of my home, very far away.
Okay, so you listen and read along, and then I strongly suggest you go to the translate section and you select your primary language so that you can translate this dialogue and read it in your primary language. Then we have part 4, watch the Meet My Family video lesson. And I suggest you watch this about 2 times so you can understand it better. It's only 5 minutes each. Finally, you have a quiz. You take the Meet My Family Lesson 12 online quiz by clicking on it here. Okay, read the directions. Who is Aunt Lavender?
That is my Aunt Lavender. She is my mom's sister.
She is Anna's sister. She is Anna's mother. She is the sister of Anna's mom. She is Anna's niece. So she is the sister of Anna's mom. Boom. And then there are 4 more questions. Just click on next question below. So thank you very much for working on this, students. This is a very important lesson because it covers so many parts of the American English language. So please do your best as you work on this lesson. Try to watch each video 2 or 3 times and pronounce and practice with each video as well. And do your best on the quiz. Thank you.